At first, it looked like a miracle-turned-nightmare, a tiny kitten trapped in the claws of a predator. The bird refused to let go, striking back at the rescuer with its beak, every attempt more dangerous than the last. But the man did not stop. Bite after bite, he fought to free the fragile life clutched in those talons. Finally, with one desperate pull, the kitten was saved. And then, just a few steps away, another heartbreak. The mother cat, weak, barely alive, lying on the ground. Without hesitation, he carried her too. Both were rushed to safety. In that moment, courage turned despair into hope and gave a family a second chance.